Well, we are now at Rothschild Avenue, and I didn't know it. You know, I'm here for the last 62 years, and I live very close to Rothschild Avenue, and I didn't know that in Purim, a lot of people are walking here with their costumes on, and he is actually dressed up to a beggar. I'm kidding. This is a little sad thing here. Rothschild was the first street. Oh, is that a priest? Oh, he just dressed as a priest. זה כל כך יפה שאני לא יודע אם זה מקורי או לא. זה מדהים, כי אני מדריך בתיירים.
כן, זה נראה טוב.
וזה נראה מעולה. בכיף. Well, it wasn't real. It was a real costume. I had to stop and ask him. He did it. This is his design. But he looks so serious. I mean, it's a little bit Catholic, a little bit Greek Orthodox all together. But it was funny. I mean, look at that building, dressed up to Pop Art Museum with a lovely breakfast evening restaurant by the name Benedict. There are a lot of police cars here, mainly because we are still in war. And if you ask me, the terrorists that not you but some of your friends are celebrating with, promoting, they can actually do something really bad here. He said that if you want to have a better video, you have to buy yourself a drone. Yes, of course.
Hello.
Hello.
Shalom, shalom.
Hey, we are friends. Yeah. I mean, she actually copied my tea. She copied my tea. Yoo-hoo! Purim, it's a biblical, in a way it's partly biblical, partly not. But one of the things that you must do is to dress yourself to something. And the idea is to be different than your regular performance. Then people are daring. And the weather is perfect. As you can see, it's March and short sleeves and beautiful people. I won't mention his name, but I thank him for telling me that. I didn't know that this is going to be kind of a carnival of people. It's amazing. This is only the second time that I'm walking in Rothschild Avenue, and I didn't dare to walk without a costume. And you can see the hole on the tiara that I have. Legenda. Excellent, excellent ice cream, if not the best one. Every part of Rothschild is a little bit different. You can see different trees, different environment. For example, here there are not a lot of restaurants. It's more quiet in a regular day, but still it's usually busy with beautiful people. It's a must. If you are visiting Tel Aviv and you do have time, this is a wonderful place to visit. Everyone can wear whatever he wants today. No gender, no age, no religion. Do whatever you want. If you want to be the devil, you can be the devil today. There are two coffee places here. One of them is kosher. This is the one. And then usually if it's kosher, it doesn't open on, it will be closed on Shabbat. The other one is not kosher, but it is closed now without any reason. They are losing a lot of money because they have excellent coffee. Really good coffee. In the other side, you can see some ultra-Orthodox Jews dressing themselves to I don't know what. And they are almost totally drunk because the idea of that holiday is that you will be just like a minute before drunkenness. They're crossing the street and you will see them right here. Oh, there's a devil Jew.
Purim Sameach.
Purim Sameach. Purim Sameach. All right, they are drunk. If they love me, they are drunk. And a butterfly guy and a butterfly woman. It's like a butterfly couple. In that part of Rothschild, it's difficult to see it, but you will see the round yellow band around the trees that reminds us that there are at least 59 Israelis, Americans, Christians, Muslims, Israeli citizens that are still in Gaza, in the hands of the terrorists of Gaza. Oh, look at that couple that sits in the bunch. Wow, it must be hot. Purim Sameach. Purim, it's the name of the holiday, and Sameach, it's happy Purim. Purim Sameach. Happy Christmas or Merry Christmas. Chag Molad Sameach. Oh, it looks like he just went out of the bathroom. Lovely. Very easy costume, but quite hot now because it's a hot night. It's going to be a hot week. Bring them home now. Part of the holiday. We must be happy, but we must remember that 59 of us are not happy. You can see the yellow flags and the signs. And we are reaching the end of the boulevard. At the end of it, you will see the Philharmonic Hall of Tel Aviv. And next to it, to the left, you will see the National Theater of Tel Aviv, Abima. And it wasn't so crowded as it usually. That's the rumor, mainly because of the war, I believe. And we will try to do that next year with a big hope that the war will end at that time. Then in front of you, you can see the Philharmonic with Bring Them On. And to the left, it's the National Theater of Tel Aviv. Then thank you very much. And yes, I'm gonna show you something else, then don't go away. It's not the end of the video. I want to show you something. Then you saw a little bit of the ultra-Orthodox. There are not a lot in Tel Aviv. Tel Aviv, it's not a religious city, but there are. Then, as you can see, to drink, it's a must. And I'm taking you, Chag Purim. Taking you to see kind of a synagogue for one day, and they will read Megillah Esther, the Book of Esther, which is, and they're doing it every half an hour. Now let me just take a video, a short one. Here, they are not religious people, but it's still beautiful. And next to it is a synagogue, and you can see how beautiful it is that secular and religious people are living together. Look at the Amantash. It's a traditional sweet. Men, women. Guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for being with me, and if you reach the end of it, please write a comment. Then I will know if you enjoyed it or not. Bye bye.